Okay, Dave Mosher's on the runway with his Rafale. He's got a canard on this thing in the delta wing. This will be our third jet demonstration, final one of the day for official turbines. Here we go on takeoff. Doesn't need too much runway to get off the ground, especially with the headwind today. We'll pull the gear up. Do a nice aerobatic flight and high speed for you today. This one's obviously a dark color, and like all the others, he's got to watch which way's up, which way's down. The camouflage doesn't work too well. This type of aircraft has a tight maneuvering capability for its aerial combat. It's actually a twin engine in real life. It's got two inlets and two exhausts here, but they're actually connected into one engine in the center. So there's no need for us to put extra complexity in motors. Pretty good power to weight ratio as you saw him going vertical there. Dave Mosher came out just to fly for you all the way from Pacifica today. And he's got a smoke system, what a surprise for you. He injects a kind of a oil into the exhaust and it turns into a nice white stream. There. Okay, a little bit of slow flight as he comes by. High angle of attack, using the thrust. Just to note, our last shuttle will leave about 4 o'clock today to the outer lot, so we still have time to get out there. We will have training available in limited capacity for those who were unable to earlier, right after the conclusion of this show. You're welcome to go get your car and bring it in the lot if you like to stay a little while. You can hang out with us. There'll be pilots flying after the show's over. You can chat. And we certainly appreciate you coming to visit us today. Be sure to fill out a survey on the shuttle bus or at the info booth. We want to know how you heard about the show, what you liked, what we can do to improve. It's our way of doing a free show for the community out here at the Santa Clara County Mall Air Traffic Sky Park. Don't forget, raffle tickets are still for sale. You need not be present to win tomorrow. To get that, we'll give you a call. Okay, he's going to do a gear pass. We can't put a lot of fuel in these things. Like the Bob and the F-16 probably burn 3/4 of a gallon of fuel in 6 to 8 minutes. So he's going to do a gear pass here. Most of the pilots will put a radio timer or a timer on their radio set so they know they have reserves. We'll do a pass to make sure their gear are okay. Turn around, come in for landing. I see 3 gear down, that means 3 green as we call it. One of the things on the turbines, it takes about 4 seconds to go from idle to full throttle. So the pilots have to compensate appropriately, know when to apply power, when to pull it back. So it takes a little bit of time. So he's turning he's downwind, turning base to final right now. Looks like a nice stable approach here. Dave Mosher at the controls. All right, how about a round of applause, Dave Mosher for Rafale. That concludes our official show for the day. There'll be some people flying right now with some little electric jets or whatever in the meantime. We ask that you, if you want to come train, come to the left entrance gate over here, and we'll let you guys in and let you try your hand at flying. The last shuttle will run at 4 o'clock, so you still have time to get out there. You're welcome to get your car and bring it back. We'll be here for the rest of the day hanging out and doing some flying. Just please don't